How to play with friends in Palworld. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply start the game, and after you start it, click on this option of create new world. After that, you need to name this particular world according to your preference. Just name it up, then make sure that you turn on the option of multiplayer on the screen. Just turn it on and click on OK. After that, start the game with this settings, and after you are in the game, open up menu, and in your menu you will find the option of options. Just simply select it. Then you will find the option of invite code. Here you can see the invite code. Just simply copy it and share it up with your friends, and your friends, to join this particular world, they have to click on the option of join multiplayer game with invite code rather than starting a new game. So they will be requiring invite code while doing so, and they can paste your invite code and join your world. This way you would be able to play with your friends, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.